Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, November 14, 2025. It's approximately 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Me and Adriana is going to do our daily morning exercises. So we're gonna start with some stretching. Come Adriana, let's stretch. Let's stretch. So we're gonna use our resistant band and get to work. I'm just gonna spread my bed. I just got up, get my teeth brushed, and doing my daily routine.
I drink chocolate. I'm named Ginger and a candy monster.
Enjoy your birthday?
Yeah.
Let's pop them up, Adriana. Pack up the spoons in that bag, in that pink bag right there. Pack them up. Let's pack everything in that bag, the toys and everything.
The toys and everything.
So she made her mess, and I'm going to let her clean it all up. So let's pack up Adriana, pack them up. So since Hurricane Melissa, we didn't have any lights and water. Some people did have. We didn't have any lights and water, so we're just here doing our daily morning routine. So we had a wonderful time, guys. It was Tuesday, Adriana's birthday, and we celebrated her birthday at an Airbnb in Portmore, and she had fun. It was an unplanned birthday party, but she enjoyed it so much. Thanks to my friend who made it possible, Jaleisha, for coming up with that great idea. She bring her popcorn machine and stuff like that because she do decor. So you know, we had a great time. We just came back home yesterday. So we're just here doing our daily morning routine, cleaning up and stuff like that.
You like the apple, mommy? Yeah, we love the apple here. The apple here is big.
What have I seen to a frog? Can I have a volunteer, please?
That's nice.
Who wants to be a frog?
We love the apple here. The apple, you like the apple?
What?
Love
Milton,
it.
Elizabeth.
Yeah.
What, just think it's very nice house.
Wow, apple. And an apple. Eat the apple.
House.
Apple. Eat the apple. Another apple. Apple. Eat it. Apple.
How silly it sounds.
Eat the apple.
Well, that brings today.
So I'm about to end the video. So guys, this is it for today with our morning routine. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Please to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.